Have you ever felt an invisible force drawing you to certain people or experiences? This is the essence of the law of attraction. What if I told you that this very power could help you reunite with your ex in just 8 steps? By aligning your energy with the outcome you desire, reconciliation, you can tip the scales in your favor. Remember, the universe responds to the vibrations you emit. And love, my friends, is one of the most potent frequencies of all. It's about harnessing the power of your intention to attract love back into your life. Step 1. Believing in reconciliation. Before we delve into the how-tos, we need to address the foundation of manifestation belief. You see, the universe responds to your dominant frequency, your deepest convictions. If doubt clouds your mind, whispering tales of impossibility, you inadvertently block the very love you seek. Imagine planting a seed in the ground. You wouldn't constantly dig it up to check if it sprouted, would you? You trust the process, knowing that with time, nourishment and care, it will blossom. Start by quieting those negative voices. Replace thoughts like, "it's impossible," with affirmations like, "I'm open to the possibility of us finding our way back to each other." When you wholeheartedly believe reconciliation is possible, you send out a powerful signal to the universe, paving the way for love to find its way back to you. Step 2. The art of visualization. What we repeatedly focus on, we invite into our lives. This is where visualization comes in, acting as a mental rehearsal for your desired outcome. Imagine yourself sitting across from your ex, feeling a sense of ease and love flowing between you. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, even taste? The key is to make it feel real, to truly embody the emotions you would experience in that moment of reunion. The more vivid and detailed your visualizations, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Visualize yourselves laughing together, sharing a meaningful conversation, or simply enjoying each other's company. Every time you engage in this practice, you're essentially planting seeds of possibility in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. Step 3. Letting go of negative emotions. To truly attract your ex back, you need to release these negative emotions, creating space for love to flow freely. Imagine your heart as a beautiful garden. Negative emotions are like weeds, choking the growth of love and happiness. Forgiveness is the gentle gardener, carefully removing these weeds, allowing your heart to heal and blossom again. Forgiving yourself and your ex doesn't condone past mistakes. It simply liberates you from their grip. It's a powerful act of self-love, allowing you to move forward with a lighter heart. Start by acknowledging the pain, allowing yourself to feel it fully without judgment. Then consciously choose to release it. Visualize those negative emotions dissolving into thin air, leaving behind a sense of peace and clarity. Embrace forgiveness, not just for your ex, but more importantly for yourself. Step 4. Self-improvement and self-love. Here's a powerful truth. The most effective way to attract a loving and fulfilling relationship is to become the embodiment of love and fulfillment ourselves. Focus on cultivating self-love, nurturing your passions, and pursuing your dreams. Engage in activities that bring you joy, challenge you to grow, and help you discover the most vibrant, authentic version of yourself. As you invest in your own well-being, you naturally become a magnet for love. You radiate confidence, self-assurance, and a contagious zest for life. Remember, you are worthy of love, not because of who you're with, but because of who you are at your core. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and watch as love finds its way back to you in the most beautiful and unexpected ways. Step 5. Patience and trust in the process. The law of attraction is not a microwave, it's a crock pot. It requires patience, trust, and allowing the universe to work its magic in its own time. Imagine planting a seed and obsessively digging it up every day to check for progress. You'd only disrupt the natural growth process. The same principle applies to manifesting love. Constantly obsessing over timelines and outcomes creates resistance, blocking the very thing you desire. Instead, surrender to the journey. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, even when you can't see the evidence. Focus on nurturing yourself, cultivating positive energy, and aligning your vibrations with love. Step 6. Letting go of control. Before moving on, if you're finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we'll cover in upcoming videos. We often try to control every aspect of our lives, including matters of the heart. But when it comes to the law of attraction, clinging too tightly to a specific outcome can create resistance and block the flow of manifestation. Imagine a river flowing effortlessly towards the ocean. Now picture trying to force that river to change its course, to bend to your will. You'd only create chaos and disruption. The same principle applies to love. Trying to manipulate or control your ex's actions will only push them further away. Instead, focus on what you can control: your own thoughts, feelings, and actions. Trust that the universe has a plan, and sometimes that plan unfolds in ways we least expect. Let go of the reins, release your grip on the outcome, and allow love to flow naturally into your life. Step 7. Improving communication with your ex. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship, especially one you're seeking to rebuild. However, approaching your ex requires sensitivity, respect, and a conscious effort to create a safe space for open dialogue. Before initiating contact, reflect on past communication patterns. What worked well and what contributed to misunderstandings or conflicts. Approach the conversation with humility, acknowledging your role in past hurts while expressing your desire to rebuild the connection. Listen actively, seeking to understand their perspective without judgment or interruption. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street requiring both speaking and listening with empathy. Focus on expressing your feelings authentically and respectfully, using I statements instead of placing blame. Keep the initial conversations light and positive, focusing on shared memories or interests. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time and consistent effort. Step 8. Why clarity of intent matters. The law of attraction is most effective when our intentions are crystal clear. Why do you want to attract your ex back? Is it driven by a genuine desire to rebuild a loving and healthy partnership, or is it fueled by loneliness, ego, or a fear of being alone? Take some time for introspection, exploring the deepest desires of your heart. Journal your thoughts, meditate on your intentions, and engage in honest self-reflection. If your desire for reunion stems from a place of love, growth, and a shared vision for the future, then the universe will support your endeavor. When our intentions are pure, aligned with love and growth, we become a powerful magnet for the fulfillment of our heart's desires. So, take the time to clarify your intent. We've explored the profound principles of the law of attraction and how it can be a guiding force in re-attracting your ex. Remember, it all begins with belief, the unwavering conviction that reconciliation is possible. Visualize your reunion with vivid detail. Release past hurts with forgiveness, and embark on a journey of self-growth, becoming the embodiment of the love you wish to attract. Embrace these principles, trust in the process, and watch as love finds its way back to you, more magnificent than you ever thought possible.